Hi, this is my urban community project. What is an urban community? An urban community is large and highly populated. That means lots of people live and work there. There are lots of tall buildings, lots of cars and vehicles, and lots of busy people. An urban community could be busy day and night. Most people live in apartment buildings. My urban community has a hotel, hospital, office building, police station, mall, apartments, school, a fire station, a shopping center, and a bakery. Community helpers have important roles in the community. Doctors and nurses keep people healthy. Police officers keep people safe. Firefighters put out fires and attend to emergencies. The teachers teaches the students. The crossing guard makes sure kids cross the street safely, and the garbage man makes sure to keep the community clean. The community has producers and consumers. Producers sell goods or offer services. Consumers buy goods or pay for services. People can be both producers and consumers. For example, the baker is a producer when he bakes and sells bread. But when he goes to the grocery to buy some fruits and vegetables, he is a consumer. Each of us has roles in our community. Let us all do our share to have a safe, healthy, and happy community.